in Bangkok today, and fun fact, HiroGato, who's making beautiful spandex catsuits, has its headquarters here. So of course I'm taking the chance and have a look around, and you're coming with me. To be dressed appropriately, I bought my own HiroGato suit from home on holiday, and I'm going to change into that now. Alright, let's go.
It's getting dark too soon. A threatening silence surrounding me. A wind comes up from the islands. When distance fades to stormy grey, wash out from the deep of the ocean. Here I will stand to face your wrath, while on the other side rain come down my heart. Don't beat so fast, don't be afraid, just once in a lifetime. Come down my heart, don't beat so fast, don't be afraid, just once in a lifetime. Now rain.
Centerpiece of every HiroGato piece is the cat here, and I have the honor to press a cat on a piece now.
Now I'm not the same. You took my wife, my hand-born son, turned into the deep of the ocean. I don't pretend that I love you, 'cause there is nothing left to lose.
I'm standing here in front of the sample collection. There are various products, and especially all the fabrics. I'm going to show you a few of them because they're so cool. A classic rainbow PU, always good for everything. Okay, I've never even seen this before. It's super trippy with all the mushrooms. And it's sparkly. Really, really cool. A classic spandex fabric with a pattern, and this one is a coated spandex bodysuit. I think the light is awesome on this one. Colors.
Don't be afraid, just once in a lifetime. No rain can wash away my tears, no wind can soothe my pain. You made me doubt, you made me fear, but now I'm not the same. You took my wife, my hand-born son, turned into the deep of the ocean. I don't pretend that I love you, 'cause there is nothing left to lose. The love in you.
Hi! I'm sitting here with Stefan, and actually we could talk German with each other because you're from Germany.
Ah ja.
Ja, und ich auch, also von daher. No, but let's switch to English again.
Alright.
How did you come up with moving to Thailand and starting this company?
I'm a lawyer. I studied law in Germany, back in Germany, and then I came here to do my Master of Law, and then I never left.
Okay, how long is that ago?
17 years.
Wow, okay. And you started HiroGato, and I learned that I'm like not pronouncing it correctly, so how would you pronounce it?
HiroGato.
Oh, it sounds so cute! It sounds so cute. So you speak Thai?
Yeah, I do.
And that's so crazy, actually, that I'm here in Bangkok speaking with a person from Germany who founded this company.
Yeah, I'm very happy you came.
Thanks for having me. How many pieces do you produce per month, roughly?
Per month. It depends. This month is like Christmas season. It's like 500 to 600 pieces.
Wow, okay.
And usually we are at about 300 to 400 pieces.
Wow. And you built your own production upstairs. I've visited it. It's really impressive.
I did, yeah.
You started the company from scratch. How did you come up with the idea?
So I started with t-shirts, but I always wanted to do some spandex stuff, and but I didn't want to go too far to the fetish side. I wanted to have a presentation which would be more on the fashion end, and make spandex fashionable. That was the idea. The first name was going to be Hiro, and then cat is gato in Spanish. So it's Hiro the cat. Yeah.
Hiro the cat. So Hiro is the name basically.
Yeah,
There's no translation?
There's no translation.
Okay.
It's a first name in Japan.
And the cat, of course. I love the cat, by the way. I think it is really part of the outfits. I wouldn't change it. What's planned for the future? Are there any new products coming? Anything special?
Yes, I am excited to let you know that we are planning to do sportswear right now.
Nice.
I got some samples with me if you want to take a look.
Ooh.
These are like the leggings.
I love the red cat. That's cool.
That you like here. And here's one more design.
Ooh, glitter. Oh, here you can see the pattern, which is cool.
Got like
Nice.
nylon, spandex, and this glittery stuff. So
Nice. Oh, there's. Okay.
that's
Nice.
the
Looking
new
forward to
collection.
that.
I'll send you some.
Yeah, thank you. And if you want to buy some HiroGato, check out my affiliate code in the description text and also the link to the webshop. I, of course, put everything down there. Leave us a comment and give us a like. And thank you for having me today. It was really fun.
You're most welcome.
And I hope I will see you in the next video.
Alright.
I hope I see you again sometime in the future when I'm going to come
maybe back
to
in
Thailand
Germany
again, or back in Germany. All right. Bye.
Thank you.